Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this magnetic metallic 2020 Ford F-150. This F-150 is very well maintained. It is a local Alberta vehicle with absolutely zero accidents. It also has a very clean truck bed. It comes in the XLT trim with a 300A equipment group, which is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6 engine. There's a lot of features in this F-150. There's Bluetooth, auto start stop, pre-collision assist, a rear view camera, it has Sync 3, cruise control, Pro trailer backup assist, and a trailer tow package. It comes in a full cloth interior with rear seats that could be folded up for even more storage in the back seats. Come on down to maclinford.com to see more about this F-150. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a good day.